Hello kids! Welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig, George Pig, and Mummy Pig in the rain. Let's start drawing first. I'm going to draw Mummy Pig's eyes, nose, and the shape of her head. I'll draw her mouth, a circle for her cheek, and finally her two ears. I'll draw her body, her two legs, her arm, and an umbrella in her hand. Amazing! I'll draw George Pig's eyes, nose, and the shape of his head. I'll draw his mouth and a circle for his cheek. On top of his head, I'm drawing a rain hat. Now I'll draw his body, his two arms, a raincoat, and his two legs with boots on his feet. Now I'll draw Peppa Pig's eyes, nose, and the shape of her head. I'll draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. I'll draw a rain hat onto her head too. I'll draw her body in a raincoat and her arms. I'll draw her legs with boots too. Now I'll draw the ground and a door behind Mummy Pig. I love my pen. I finished the drawing part with many raindrops. The weather is really bad now, and the little piggies would be soaking wet if Mummy Pig doesn't give them the umbrella. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Start coloring. I'm going to use this pink color for Mummy Pig's skin. I love my pen. Then a light purple marker for her cheeks. I'll color Mummy Pig's dress with orange. Now I'm going to color the umbrella with the aquamarine color. I'm going to use this pink color for George's skin. Then a light purple marker for her cheeks. Then I'll color George's raincoats and hats with this vivid yellow color. I'll color George Pig's boots red. I'm going to use this pink color for Peppa's skin. Then a light purple marker for her cheeks. Then I'll color Peppa's raincoats and hats with this vivid yellow color. I'll use blue for Peppa Pig's boots. I'll color the door with vivid yellow and some brown. I love my pen. I'll use green for the ground, and I finished the coloring with some blue for the raindrops. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.